Hey, what's going on, guys? We're getting tuned in with another tutorial with Don Shorts. You know what I'm saying? Today, listen, I want to know what I'm saying, because you know what I'm saying, I've been like, you know what I'm saying, having a little delay and everything. I had to switch my information, you know what I'm saying, that's on my computer to another computer and stuff like that, because, you know what I'm saying, my computer's getting like full. Alright, look, today, look, I want to show y'all, you know what I'm saying, that I'm using this, there's another free, you know what I'm saying, website that automatically, you know what I'm saying, increase, you know what I'm saying, people, you know what I'm saying, seeing your opportunity. And it's for free. Yeah, that's one thing about it. Alright, now look, you see? Look at that. Check your stats below, you know what I'm saying, see, you know what I'm saying, how the, MoneyLine has increased it again this week. Bang, see? All the joinees. It's the weekly increase right here. Man, 1,544. Bang. Now let me take you to this how the website look. Now right here. Now I've been using this joint for like what, like 2 weeks and a half. You know what I'm saying? Shit, you know what I'm saying? I've been seeing a lot of engagements and everything. You know what I'm saying? So, and one thing about this, alright, look. Now, what I'm saying, I got a video show you how to set everything up and stuff like that. So, alright, look, this your money line. This the people that's, you know what I'm saying, that came in, and this the money line. This how I look. These are people, but you can, you know what I'm saying, send, you know what I'm saying, 20 a day. You know what I'm saying, yeah. Well, no, 20 at a time. Alright, look. Now, they got a plan. They got a plan, which is like, if you update, that's $20 a one-time fee, right? Now, it will automatically boost, you know what I'm saying, your advertising up there. You know what I'm saying? It will boost it up there. You know what I'm saying? Whatever your offer is, it will boost it up there. Now, one thing about it, hold on. Now, one thing about it, even though this free, I told y'all this, you know what I'm saying, this joint is free. But if you use it the free way, you gotta, it's one that you gotta do, you know what I'm saying? If it's 20 people that you gotta promote to in this, in your money line, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You gotta, you know what I'm saying, do one at a time. But, you know what I'm saying, when you update it, one thing about it, if you update it, pay that $20, you know what I'm saying, that one-time fee, now peep this. This how you know what I'm saying, receive unlimited, payments. Of, you know what I'm saying, through, PayPal. Now, once you update, right? You update. Now you giving out, you pay $20 for that one-time fee. Now you update it, and next thing you know, you giving out this free, you know what I'm saying, this free, you know what I'm saying, site that generate leads, right? Next thing you know, they want to advertise their business. Once they update, right? Right? And next thing you know, they share the same, their link, because you will get a referral link, right? Next thing you know, they share the other person updated, you will get $20. You know what I'm saying? So, now one thing about that, now, see, reason, I'm using, you know what I'm saying, this right here, the money line, is easy, which is like, I make, you know what I'm saying, unlimited $20, you know what I'm saying, in my PayPal account, you know what I'm saying, so that's good. That's just like you having another system and everything, so, you know what I'm saying, and that's free, so it's up to that person to actually, if they want to update, they can update. If they don't, they don't. But one thing about it, if you actually don't, and you send other people to, you know what I'm saying, to your referral joint, even though you didn't update, it will pass on. It will go past you because you didn't even update. It will go straight to me because, you know what I'm saying, I have, with this, link. That's one thing about it. So update. Even though, you know what I'm saying, you ain't got to update, you can use the same, you know what I'm saying, free method and everything, which is like one, send a message to one person at a time. You know what I'm saying? So, one thing about it, hold on. Yeah. One thing about it, right? Now, even though, you know what I'm saying, I'm getting away this system, right? Now, cause you gotta think about it, you know what I'm saying, it's actually like legitimate, 100% free. It's up to you, you know what I'm saying, to update. But I told you, you know what I'm saying, before, why use this system? This, money line, you know what I'm saying, site. Now, y'all know, you know what I'm saying, I'm in, Motor Club America, right? Now, which is, it's all about, you know what I'm saying, how I use a sales page, which is, I got 3 pages. I got 3 pages that automatically, you know what I'm saying, convert and tell people about the business better. Alright, now, on the system that I use to promote my, MCA, Now, the first site, the first page, which is step one, it advertised this right here, which is like I'm giving it, you know what I'm saying, to you for free. You know what I'm saying? Which is like they, you know what I'm saying, sign up. Next thing you know, they sign up. Now, even though, you know what I'm saying, they probably still sign up, but they still get their referral link. They still probably referring people and stuff like that. But if they don't take initiative and just, you know what I'm saying, be a branch, you know what I'm saying, update to the branch level, you know what I'm saying, they won't receive no $20 unlimited. Now, but people, this, bear with me. Now, so when they come back from the system that I use to promote my MCA, now the second step, after they get done, you know what I'm saying, making an account, free account from here, they go to the bottom, they enter their username, right? Because that's how they get their email, which is like it's automatically on auto responder, autopilot, just to remind them, you know what I'm saying, that, you know what I'm saying, they still got to, you know what I'm saying, take action and stuff like that, so they could get the system that automatically generates money. Now, once you put in a username, go to the bottom of the page. Next thing you know, they hit continue. Now, step two. Now, there's a video, you know what I'm saying, that tell them about the MCA business. Now, once they, you know what I'm saying, click on the link, and they actually, you know what I'm saying, they join. And next thing you know, they join that website. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, they join MCA, and they come back, and they enter their member ID number. Next thing you know, they hit continue. Now, the third step, it will, you know what I'm saying, take you to, you know what I'm saying, another video, which is, that's how you get your autoresponder. But one thing about it, now if you follow these main steps and everything, because anybody can know something about autoresponder, but you will get these, you know what I'm saying, these high converting emails. You know what I'm saying? The high converting emails. You will get the 30 to 60 day, you know what I'm saying, email converter. You know what I'm saying? You will get that, you will get that email converter. You know what I'm saying? That's one thing about it. I make, you know what I'm saying, high converting emails and stuff like that. You see? Look at that. And this is the time right here, like right here. Let me see. See? This is day 18 email time, you know what I'm saying, which is like 10:50 p.m. That's the time to post. Feel me? That's the time to post. I tell y'all everything and everything. And you know what's so crazy? Because, you know what I'm saying, my training, right? You know what I'm saying? My training, y'all have the posts, like with the posts and stuff like that, the scripts, everything that y'all need, you know what I'm saying, to make money, you know what I'm saying, is all in my training. You know what I'm saying? That's one thing about it, it's all in the training. And especially it's up to y'all. You know what I'm saying? One thing about it, if you want to make money, trust me, it's easy to make money. But one thing about it, for y'all to, you know what I'm saying, in the first beginning. Now, a lot of people, you know what I'm saying, when you see a lot of people making money in this MCA business, because they actually broadcast it in their face. And that's how, you know what I'm saying, it makes other people like, okay, I see these people, you know what I'm saying, I know how they, you know what I'm saying, I know how they look. It's, you know, scams, they show their face. And, but you like, okay, I want to do the same thing and make money, but you like, okay, I'm shy with videos, I don't know what to say. You gotta think about it. Even though, you know what I'm saying, before I even had joined to something, I was just constantly, you know what I'm saying, I studied it, and next you know, every day to day basis, you know what I'm saying, I'll start getting used to it. That's just like you hear a favorite song, a song that just came out, next you know, you constantly hear it. Every day you're gonna get used to that song. So ain't no need for, you know what I'm saying, nobody, you know what I'm saying, to say, oh, I don't know what to say. You know what I'm saying? I'm shy. Well, you know what I'm saying, people, I tell people, now you shy, that's why, you know what I'm saying, like, to talk to people and stuff like that. I'm like, that's why they made the high converting sales video. You know what I'm saying? That do all the selling and telling for you. All done for you system. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? So, come on now. Might as well, like, make money while you sleep on autopilot. That's what, you know what I'm saying? That's what you know what I'm saying, the AWeber for and everything. The AWeber for my autoresponder. And one thing about it, now you will get a sharing code. That's what I'm saying. That's why I say when people, you know what I'm saying, follow my the system that I use, next thing you know, when it say, you know what I'm saying, third step, and next thing you know, see, once you pay for that AWeber, right? Like, even, you know what I'm saying, you can already have AWeber and everything, and you just enter your invoice code, and that's, you know what I'm saying, that's how, you know what I'm saying, you would get that, the 30 to 60, you know what I'm saying, email, you know what I'm saying, 30 to 60 day email script and everything, and sharing code. So, you know what I'm saying, that's one thing about it. So, like I told you, all done for you system and stuff like that. And the only thing you gotta do, you know what I'm saying, like, and one thing about it, you know what I'm saying, they're throwing the campaigns and stuff like that. It's already in the training and stuff like that. So, ain't no need for y'all, you know what I'm saying, to be shy. Just saying, third, you can scale up from $5 a day and scale up. Next thing you know. Now, let me tell y'all, you know what I'm saying, this basics right here. Now, alright, y'all know what I'm saying, when you throw an ad on Facebook, right? And when a lot of people, you know what I'm saying, I said, this is why a lot of people making money. Cause they retarget their audience. You know what I'm saying? That's just like if I scroll up, if I'm on my Facebook and I'm scrolling up, right? If I'm scrolling up and I only see this person advertising one time, I'm like, okay, I don't know him. I ain't see too much of him. You know what I'm saying? I don't know him. But next thing you know, if I retarget that same audience, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And I do it back to back, right? Next thing you know, I'm like, okay, this guy starts seeing me like 5 times out of, you know what I'm saying, 5 times out of a week. So like, okay, you know what I'm saying, he must be making money and stuff like that. So let me see what he's saying. Let me join his opportunity, you know what I'm saying, because I see him doing this every day. So it's like you making a commercial. And how many times you watch TV, you see the same commercial over and over and over. But it actually, it fits, you know what I'm saying, like it had your mind set for what they, you know what I'm saying, what they offer. So just like how them commercials do, that's how you gotta run your ad. You know what I'm saying? Like on Facebook, YouTube, you know what I'm saying? And this right here, this is a different method because it's not video. This, you know what I'm saying, the MoneyLine is not no video. It's just like straight ads, like solo ads going out. You know what I'm saying? So that's kind of different and everything, you know what I'm saying? And I told you, you know what I'm saying, I use, you know what I'm saying, never marketing device. It's actually, I use it like offline and everything. You know what I'm saying? So there's a lot of strategies I use. And I use an app too. But everything is all in the training. Everything's all in the training. But look, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna cut this joint short. You already know what to do. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get at y'all. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. See y'all on the other side. Join my team. And look, I'm gonna have this link in the description too. You know what I'm saying? So you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna give y'all, you know what I'm saying, the update. Now y'all see this right here is like 2174. Well, it's actually like right here. This is total right here though. But trust me, this joint really work. I'm saying I get like free leads constantly, like literally like free leads. But look, I'm gonna see y'all on the other side and everything. I gotta, you know what I'm saying, couple things to do and stuff. I gotta, I'm saying, finish putting together this email converter. You know, I'm always, I'm saying, using my head for positive. You know what I'm saying, doing anything. You know what I'm saying, you know, just to, you know what I'm saying, to make it so easy for everybody to understand and use. You know what I'm saying, my techniques, which is like methods. So, you know what I'm saying, they can make everything, you know what I'm saying, be so easy for them. Even though, you know what I'm saying, because I had a couple people, you know what I'm saying, came to me and was saying like, oh, I don't know what to say, I don't know what to post. One thing about it, you know what I'm saying, like, it's easy, you know what I'm saying, to convert your regular, like your Facebook, which you used to post and everything. The only thing, you know, well, everything's in you know, is in my team training and stuff like that. But you know what I'm saying, I'm trying to tell y'all, keep positive, you know what I'm saying, posts on your Facebook, you know what I'm saying, your enjoyments and everything. Always advertise your enjoyment, like you going out eating, you know what I'm saying, like, you know what I'm saying, restaurants, stuff like that, you enjoying yourself with your family. Just, you know what I'm saying, show the life that y'all living and stuff like that. Put up them success quotes and everything. If you ain't got no success quotes and everything, you know what I'm saying, just go on Google.com, put in success quotes, you know what I'm saying, you know, copy and paste. You know what I'm saying, copy and paste lifestyle is the best lifestyle, you know what I'm saying, you know, make it more easy, you know what I'm saying, more faster for you, you know what I'm saying, to do what you gotta do. But look, you know what I'm saying, make sure, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying, you subscribe, turn on that notification, see you on the other side. Welcome to the team. Peace.